Now, in order to find the center and radius of a circle, we need to know the different forms in which you will see the equations of a circle. One is the standard form, so that's the first one. X minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equals r squared. The center of this circle is hk. The coordinates of the center are h comma k, and the radius of this circle is r. If a circle has center as the origin, then you're going to see something like this: x squared plus y squared equals a number squared. So in this case, r squared. So this would be center 0, 0, radius r. So if we're given specific equations, can we find the center and the radius of that circle? So first we recognize that this is an equation of a circle. We compare it to the standard form, which is x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equals r squared. So the patterns match. And now we look at h and 3, k and 1, because everything else matches. The signs match. We have the x, so then h would have to equal 3. Here the signs match, the y's match, and now the k would have to equal 1 because of this as well. These two match as well. Now r squared is 9. R is the radius. So r squared and 9 can be written as 3 squared. In which case r can be matched with 3. We are just doing some pattern recognition here to find the radius and the center. So the coordinates of the radius, the coordinates of the center are 3, 1, and the radius of the circle is 3. Let's do the same thing here. X minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equals r squared. So we are matching the given equation with the standard equation of the circle. Now notice that k equals 3 because you see a negative, a y, and a y, so the patterns match. But in the case of the first parentheses, so we have x and x match, but notice that here it's a plus and there it's a minus. So in the standard form of the equation, we need a minus. So what do? We try to fix this equation to match the given pattern. So this is what we're going to do. We go x minus negative 5 minus negative 5 is the same as positive 5. So we're just rewriting x plus 5 as x minus of negative 5 the whole squared plus y minus 3 the whole squared equals, now we want to write a 3 as something squared. The only thing that fits inside is radical 3 the whole squared. So we have radical 3 the whole squared. Now let's see if everything matches. So the minus matches with the minus, the x with the x, so therefore the negative 5 matches with the h. So let's write down h, it's equal to negative 5, k equals 3, and the radius is equal to radical 3 because radical 3 is what matches with the r. So r squared is radical 3 squared, so r is equal to radical 3. Suppose we have x squared plus y squared equals 5. Notice that this is the equation of a circle with center as the origin. So hk is 0, 0. Because if you think about it, x is x minus 0 the whole squared plus y minus 0 the whole squared equals radical 5 the whole squared. So we want to write 5 as a square. And the only thing that fits inside is a radical 5. So we have the radius as 5 and the center. Just by the way the equation is written, we know that hk is 0, 0.